Hey, my friends, welcome back to English Unplugged. I'm Mark, and I'm really happy you're here again. In this podcast, I will speak slowly. I will use simple words, and I will repeat ideas so you can understand everything. My goal is to help you practice listening and speaking at the same time. Today's topic is something many English learners ask. Why can I understand English but not speak it? Why do I freeze when someone talks to me? Maybe you have this problem too. That's okay. Many people do. It's normal. Our brain feels safe with our first language. But here's the good news. Speaking without freezing is a skill. You can learn it. You can practice it. And today, I will show you how. Let's talk about why this is important. Many learners feel stuck when they speak English. Why? Because they wait for the perfect sentence in their mind. This makes speaking slow and stressful. You may know many words. You may know grammar rules. But if you wait to build each sentence perfectly, it's hard to speak fast. It's hard to speak naturally in real life. People talk quickly. They don't pause for you to think. If you're always building sentences in your head, you will fall behind. Also, waiting too long can make you lose confidence. Some learners know the right word, but by the time they say it, the moment is gone. So if you wait, the conversation moves on. Sometimes you stay silent. So the goal is this. Speak before you feel ready. When you do this, you will speak faster. You will feel more confident. And today, I will teach you some practical tips so you can do it as well. Okay, let's talk about why we freeze and why it's normal.
When you start learning English, you depend on your first language. That is okay. Your first language is like training wheels. It helps you move forward safely. But after some time, you want to ride without them. For example, you want to see rain and just think rain, not the word for rain in your own language. Now, many learners tell me, Mark, I know words, I know grammar, but when I speak, I freeze. And I tell them, that's because your brain is waiting for permission. So let's get practical. Let's talk about how you can start speaking without freezing. Here are 5 simple ways to start, and you can use them every single day. Tip number 1, say what you feel. This is very simple. Notice your feelings and name them in English. Say what you feel in your mind in English. For example, when you're tired, say, I am tired. I feel happy. My feet hurt. It's too loud. When you're eating, say, this tastes sweet. I am full. I want water. You can do this anytime. You can do this when you are alone. No one will hear you. If you don't know a word, that's okay. You can look it up. Write it down. Next time your brain will remember. This is how you build your English voice, step by step. Tip number 2, speak your next action. Another way to speak without freezing is to say what you will do next. In the morning, you can think, today I will drink coffee. I will open my notebook. I will say hello to my neighbor. Before you do something, say it in English first. I am standing up. I am turning on the light. I am sending a message. You don't need to write it. You don't need to say it out loud. Just think it. Then do it. The more you do it, the easier it becomes. Tip number 3, name things without translating. This one is very powerful. It helps your brain speak without asking permission. Here's what to do. When you see something, a cup, a door, a cloud, don't think, what's that in English? Just say the word. Cup, door, cloud, shirt, key, street. cat. Bag. Sky. Smile. Do this with everything. When you see the thing, say the English word. Do this every day. Soon it will be automatic. Your brain will start speaking first. Do shadowing. This is one of the best techniques. It's my favorite. Listen to a native speaker from a podcast, video, or audio like this one. Repeat immediately after them. Say what they say. Try to copy the way they say it. The voice, the speed, the feeling, the rhythm, the stress, the pronunciation. For example, if the speaker says, "I need to sit down," you repeat right away. No pause, no planning. At first, it's difficult. That's normal. But keep going. You will train your brain to speak without overthinking. No waiting, no translating, just listening and speaking. Do this 5 to 10 minutes a day, and that's enough. Tip number 5. This is very easy and very useful. When you are doing simple things, speak in your mind. When you are walking, my legs are moving. The air smells fresh. That bird is singing. When you are cooking, I'm chopping onions. I'm turning on the stove. The pan is hot. When you are getting dressed, I'm putting on socks. I'm sipping my jacket. My hair looks messy. These are all good moments to speak in English. They are simple. You don't need perfect grammar. Just say what is happening like you're talking to a friend. That's how your brain will learn. Okay, my friend, let's put everything together. Now, here is your daily plan. It's easy. Only 4 steps, and you can do them every day. Every single day. Let's go through them one by one. Step 1. In the morning, speak your first thoughts. When you wake up, before you check your phone, take 1 minute. Speak in English in your mind. Say, "Today I will smile. I will listen to one song in English. I will say thank you to someone." Just simple thoughts in English. You can do it while brushing your teeth or while drinking your tea or coffee. Step number 2. During the day, speak what you feel. As you move through your day, notice your body and your mood. Say what you feel. My back hurts. I feel excited. I am bored. You don't need to speak out loud. You don't need to speak fast. Just think in your head. If you don't know a word, that's okay. Look it up later, then try again tomorrow. Step number 3. Listen to English and do shadowing. Use one of my podcasts. Listen to me, then repeat what you hear immediately. This is shadowing. Don't worry about being perfect. Just practice. Even 5 minutes a day helps a lot. And finally, step number 4. At night, speak about your day in English. Before bed, relax, close your eyes, speak about your day in English. I walked to the park. I sent 3 messages. I laughed at a joke. I felt proud of myself. This is your quiet time. No pressure, no stress, just simple English in your mind. Okay, that's it. 4 steps, easy to remember. Do this every day. And after 1 week, you will feel better. After 1 month, your brain will start speaking English without fear. Your brain is used to waiting. It wants to be perfect. At first, maybe only 10% of your speaking thoughts are in English. That's a great start. If you keep going, if you practice a little every day, soon it will be 30%, then 50%, then 70%. And one day you will notice something exciting. You are speaking in your mind without trying. It happens slowly, but it will happen. I promise. Okay, so here is my final message. Speaking without freezing is a skill. You can build it. Be patient and be kind to yourself. Make mistakes. That's normal. And keep going. Thanks for being here. This is English Unplugged, and I'm Mark. Keep speaking in your mind, keep practicing, and keep believing in yourself. Bye for now.